Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana. If you are also new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today's video, we are updating you on my project pan. If you guys don't know, I'll go ahead and link the other video in the description box. I basically picked a few products that I wanted to either hit pan on, I wanted to utilize, or I was just tired of and I just wanted to get it out of my collection, so I wanted to use it. And so I picked, I think it was 17 products total. And throughout the video, I will go ahead and insert videos that I have taken to update you guys. Actually, espera. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so like I said, throughout this video I will go ahead and put up videos to show you how I have been like updating, sort of, and to show you the progress, because I know in some of these you can't necessarily tell, like in my eyeshadow palette you can't really tell, or like in the in some of the other products you can't really tell. So I tried my best to show you, and I did try my best with these products for the most part. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you was my moisturizer. If you guys remember, I had this little Embryolisse, last time I couldn't say it either, moisturizer, and since then I have finished it. I don't remember exactly what day I finished it. I put it in my Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that right now. Everything is linked down in the description box. So I went ahead and finished this. I was wearing nails at the time, so I couldn't really get all the way in, which I do have a tiny bit, but you know what, I'm done.
Hey y'all, just coming on here to give you an update on my rolling project pan. This was one of the items. It's a moisturizer. I finished it completely. There's might be some here, but I couldn't get it. Maybe it was because of my nails. So I am rolling in this one. This is how much I have left. I did take a picture before I started digging into it, so yeah, here we are.
Because as you saw in my haul video, I did buy a moisturizer and I'm trying to get rid of whatever I had left. So bye bye. The next one was, oh sorry, so sorry guys, I forgot to mention that my project pan is a rolling project pan, so that every single time that I finish something, I will go ahead and roll something in, or if I'm just done with the product, I'll go ahead and roll something in. So for this product, I rolled in this Clark's Botanicals. This one, I don't remember where I got it, honestly, but it was in my drawer, so I was like, Los amos. I'll go ahead and put a video up here, or a picture, I did both, of what that is, and then this is exactly where I'm at now. I'll take a picture of it and post it and put it in here, that way you can fully see. So for this one, since I got my CeraVe moisturizer, I'm basically, sorry, backtrack. I started using this, right, a few weeks, like a week ago. It didn't take me long to use this one at all. So started using this and I put it all over my face, and that was not working out. So this is a age-defying radiance cream, right? So what I ended up doing was I put it under my eyes, on my chin, and right here. Basically, like where, like I guess like where I get like wrinkles, like I get wrinkles like right here. I definitely get wrinkles right here. Like, I'm 24. Why do I have wrinkles on my forehead? It's because Jose gets me mad. That's why. And then, and for a while, I was getting super dry right here and right here. And this thing was just not working out. So, that's why I had decided to order the CeraVe moisturizer. So, I've been using that all around, like, alrededor. And then this one. So, that's where we're at with that. That's one. Alright, last time we were working on the Maro Pedescu setting spray, and I was right here, And since then, I have finished it. Again, I did post that on my highlights, and they are saved, by the way. I posted that on my highlights, and I also told you that I was rolling in the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray here. This one is currently empty because I did tell you that because I wanted to see exactly where this was, and I like this spray better than this one, I went ahead and put this product in here. So we are currently here. I didn't mark it, but I did show you. Está por aquí, mira. Right here. So, ya mero lo acabamos. After this, I will update you on my Instagram because right now I'm not sure if I'm going to roll in another spray or not. Ya veremos. And next thing is this, my favorite contouring thing. We're still in the same spot, I think. I honestly haven't been using this. I've been using my butter bronzer, but it's because the butter bronzer has like just a bronziness. I haven't been contouring my face. The only time I contoured my face was for the BoxyCharm video, and I use the BoxyCharm stuff. So yeah, that one didn't work out. Not this month. Next thing is the perfumes. Honestly, I don't wear perfume a lot, but I did bring it down a little bit more. I'm not gonna go ahead and mark it just because it's pointless. It's still there. So again, I don't really use perfumes a lot. It's mainly because I don't go anywhere, so I don't know where you want me to use it to, but I do want to keep it in here because I do need to use it. So maybe for my birthday. Next one is my Talia Wajid Curly Cream. So last time I marked it at around right here, and it is still around there, but let me tell you, I only use a little bit for it because I mainly use it like for like whenever I braid my hair or like I put my hair up, and I don't normally do that. So I did use that today, or not today, but Monday. It's Thursday. So I did use that on Monday whenever I washed my hair. But I have been using this. I knew that this one was gonna take longer because again, I don't go through my hair products as fast because I don't use them every day. I do my hair once a week, guys. Next product is, we'll go ahead and use this one, and I will insert pictures for this one. This is one of the products that I have been using. You might not be able to tell because it is in a pan and you can't really tell. This one, Luxuria, I have dented it ever so slightly, but I've been using it consistently every single day, so we'll see. And then this one, again, I don't know what it's called. I haven't been using this one as much because I've been trying different eye looks. As you have seen, I did my spring look, my sunny spring look, and I did my pink spring look. So I haven't really been playing around with colors like that, and I have palettes that I want to try. So I'm gonna keep it around, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Next is this Monsieur Big from Lancome. It is a mascara. This is drying out. It's already dried out, and I've used it today, but I don't think I have a whole lot left in there. Like every single time I pick up, there's nothing in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this, because I don't want that getting anywhere near my eye anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and roll in my Unlashed from Wander Beauty. Okay. Next thing is this Bella Pierre Nude Lip Liner. It's still at the same spot, guys. I've used it, but I tried using it earlier and it just wasn't working for me. So I'll play around with it. I might roll it out eventually, but right now we're still going to use it because I do want to use it. It's just really crumbly. I might just need to sharpen it again and bring it to life or something. We'll see. Next is this dark spot corrector from Photo Chic, and honestly, I haven't used it, and I'm not going to use it. So I am going to roll this out of my project pan because I'm not going to use it. Like, honestly, and I'm probably just going to declutter this. So I'm just going to declutter it. I'll probably give it to one of my sisters. They have more dark circles than I do because they have children. So, rolling this bad boy out. Alright, so since I rolled this photo chic thing out, here, let me show you how much I used. It wasn't opening, that's why I didn't do it that much. Like, you can't even tell. So I'm probably gonna give this to one of my sisters. So next thing I want to roll in is this Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I got this in a BoxyCharm and I don't really care for it. Estoy haciendo un video. I don't really care for it. I have tried it a few times and I have quite a bit in there, but I want to use it before it dries out. So we are rolling this in. Right now, you can't see through here,
but I'm looking at it like this. Hold on. How can I see like through here? I'm looking like a fool. It's like right here, yeah.
Alright, so I marked it right there. I'm probably going to use this with my own brush because I honestly hate this little stupid brush that it comes with. Look at this. Like, it's not even, it's not flat. Like, está todo bien bunchy. So, we're going to try this out again, give it another chance, and see how we like it. With this Trestique glow thing, I have been trying different ways to use it. But we are still in the same spot. I have used it. I used it today. And I've used it a few times, but because I'm trying different eye looks, so I have been using it aquí, but for my inner corner, I have not been using it. But it's okay. We're still going to use it. We're fine. This one, it's still like this. This how much is there. Here, so I found a new way to calculate how much I have. We're going to go ahead and, which we'll do it on the other one too. We're gonna go ahead and mark it like this en la tapita how much I have. Okay, so en la tapita that's how much I have, okay? I found it to be a little too bright for me. I used to love this, so I don't understand. ¿Qué pasó? And for this, we're gonna go ahead and mark it. We're going to go ahead and mark it on this post-it note, and I'll keep it up here. I don't even need to mark it. Hold on. Okay, so the way that I marked this was that I set it up from right here because that's where the little ending is, and I'm going to put it on my mirror, okay? This one is that I don't even know where. Oh, I threw it away. So next one is the Angel Primer, Angel something primer. What I did was I put it in here, and there's some on here and there's some in here. So this is how much I have. I have been using it consistently, but for days that like I'm like in a rush, I'll just use my concealer. Next up is this, the Milani Prime Shield. I put it in one of these as well. This is how much I have. And I've been using this every day. But again, I only put this on here. And then I'll use my NYX Honey Dew Me Up. Next is my pressed powder. I feel like we're in this. Oh no, guys. We have pan right here. You see this little puntito? That's pan. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this, post it up here, show you how much pan there is. But that's pretty exciting, guys. I thought that I hadn't gotten any progress, but it makes sense because I've been using it all over my face. Alright, lastly is this soft matte. Again, I can't really tell how much is in here, but I still get product. And I mean, I don't get a whole lot, but I still get product. So we'll just keep rolling with it because I actually do like that one. Let me count them just to make sure I have them all.
Alright, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. another one.
Also, this one right here, the Show Me Your Cheeks blush. We're still in the same spot. I honestly haven't used much of this one. On the corner here, we're starting to see a little something. I'll go ahead and insert a picture here to show you how that goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think that's how it is. 16 products. If I forgot one, it's because it's not important. JK, guys, they're important. If I forgot one, I'll go ahead and put it in here a little bit later in the video. But alright guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me for my Project Pan. Let me know what you guys think about the stuff that I'm rolling in. Again, if you guys have rolled something, if you guys are doing a Project Pan, or if you guys have panned anything that I have here, please let me know down in the comments. I would really like to know how long it took you, when did you buy it, etc, etc, etc. And if you guys have been inspired to do like a little Project Pan of your own, please let me know. Yeah, and let me know what tips you guys have to panning these, because honestly, it's harder than I thought. Super hard. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.